everybody. Today we're gonna go see. We're gonna go see the. We're gonna go see the Batmobile, the Ghostbuster car, and the cop car from Transformers. Here it is, right here. Here's the Batmobile. Oh, here's my friend. Hey, Rocco. Hey, Rocco. Right there. All right. Okay.
Alright, we'll talk to you later.
By the way, 62 degrees outside.
Alright, bye-bye.
So yeah, it might be a little windy. It might be a little windy.
That is a cool car.
Pretty epic. Really epic. And then see that little top over there? Right here? See that? See that right there? Right? That's where the metal comes over. Remember in the movies?
Yeah.
Where the metal comes over?
Right,
And then when they park?
here's the inside.
Pretty cool.
Alright. Now we're gonna go see the cop car. Oh wait. Oh yeah, here's.
And there's the bullets.
Alright, now we're gonna see the cop car from Transformers.
Cop car ain't too special.
And it's a Decepticon.
Oh, Decepticons! I had no idea.
Alright, there it is. It's strike a pose.
Strike a pose.
Yeah. Side.
Then Ghostbusters.
It's the po-po. Police.
Ain't got pow pow. Wait. Picture.
Sirens right there. Lights and everything.
Ain't got pow pow.
We got the back of the car from Classic Cars. There's
Ghostbusters.
You good?
Hello.
Alright, so you good? You got everything?
Yep.
Okay. You cool?
Just a little.
Alright,
Getting there.
here's the Ghostbusters car. Pretty cool. Got all their equipment on top of it. There's the little symbol. We believe you. Yeah, it's a little windy, so you guys are probably gonna hear some wind. There's the sirens up on there. That's who you want to call when you get the Ghostbusters. Back. Alright, well there you go.
I'm in a new suit.
There you go. That's all. That's about all for you guys. And this is my very first
Until the next
vlog.
video, we will be inside again. Inside the classic cars. You will see a bunch of old-fashioned cars and pretty cool cars.
Yeah.
Till next time, tune in.
Yeah. So Rocco, do the honors and hit the little red button. Goodbye, cat.